It's a matter of showcasing your work to your friends, to your colleagues. It also is good for presentation. Obviously, as a mobile developer or any front-facing application developer. So like whether you're a front-end developer, mobile developer, it's really good to be able to describe and demonstrate the application you have built, all right? So whether it's for the purpose of, pitching to your investors, whether you're starting a startup or you're presenting to your bosses about your new features you created, it's a really a presentation, like presenting your application is a really important skill, and it'll help you, especially when you go out there, because presentations are a large part and demos are a large part of being a front-end developer or a mobile developer, okay? So you need to be able to demo all your features. You need to be able to walk us through your code. What was your thought process? Why did you choose this UI UX? So it's a really important skill to have. That's why we felt that having an entire day to demo your app is a good way to just get you guys ready for what's out there, right? So I'm really excited to see what you guys have, as everybody else is in the instruction panel. I don't know how exactly we're going to start, but I guess I'm going to leave it out to volunteers first, and then we're just going to go chronologically. So, or maybe you guys can tell me how you want to start, or I can just start calling out somebody. Anybody who's ready, who feel like they can start, or I'll just go with groups. First of all, yeah, I think I'm going to go with groups. So let me just pull this up. All right. Group number one. I guess I'm going to go with groups. Group number one, that's Abdulaziz, Lamis, Najla, and Ali. So who's going to start?
Hello, good morning. Apparently, it's only me who's here this earlier.
Okay.
To me, I didn't do the project. I started on Tuesday last week, but I had an issue with the device and I got the vaccine. So when I wanted to restart yesterday, I couldn't because the CocoaPods and all the ready-made files are deleted. So I had to redo them midnight, like yesterday, with the Swift package manager. So to me, I didn't complete the project, so I shouldn't be the one who started, but I'm sure the other teammates did some great job.
So do you have anything like some sort of UI you can showcase, or it's nothing?
No, it's nothing because there is no trace of the projects I did.
Okay. I feel like you should have let us know, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll follow it up later. But just remember that we'll just look at that at a later time. So
yeah,
nobody else from your team? Ali, Lamis, Abdulaziz?
I'm scrolling through the participants. I don't think they didn't come, but I'll mention them on Telegram. Maybe they're forgot or something.
Sure. Okay, we're gonna jump to group 2 for now.
Yeah, I'm not the set example. Just let's move on.
Yeah,
Good luck.
I'm gonna jump to group 2. All right. All right, group 2, speedy turtles, Abdul Rahman, Arij, Hessa, and Shahad. I think Arij dropped. Abdul Rahman, Hessa, anyone? All right, Shahad, you can go. Yeah, sure. Take your time to set up the simulators. It's fine. As Shahad is getting ready, maybe Hessa or Abdul Rahman, you can also start setting up your app and Xcode kindly so that we can take as short time as possible. All right, Abdul Rahman, you can go ahead.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Oh, yes, I can.
This is the login screen. And from here, you can create a new account. Here is the name of the user and email.
Okay. All right.
Then I send the verification email.
Yeah, that's nice.
Sorry. When you try to log in without verification your email, you will have an alert.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay. So you added email verification. That's awesome. Nice.
Just a minute to verify my email. Okay. And here is the conversation list and the search and profile. You can upload the photo or take but today I have a problem in the storage.
Okay.
That says I reach the maximum storage limit.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We can proceed.
Yeah, here.
Oh, yeah. I think it's because it's on a premium account, but this is impressive. So yeah, you can proceed with the demo.
Yeah, and here you can search for the user. I think it's
Okay.
message
Right.
to account, and I can send a message.
Oh, nice. Okay.
It will present as a blue color, and then I open it and
so it's real time. That's nice. I like seeing that. All right. All right. Can you send a message back?
yeah. But it's not, but I should open the
yeah. Okay, I can see the bug. I can see the bug. All right. Yeah. Okay. That's amazing. Okay. All right, keep going.
Just that I don't implement the upload photo or video.
Yeah. I think it's because of the data. All right. Can you go back to your real-time database? Let me see your database structure.
Okay.
let us see your database structure. All right. It's a small bug in the messaging, but it's fine. All right. So you have a root conversations, you have users. Okay. Okay.
Your conversation, use the other user email, last message, and use the conversation ID to search for, to fetch all message.
Okay. All right. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. Okay. All right. Can you show us maybe Xcode how you arranged your project? Did you modularize it? Your Xcode project. Can you show us? Okay. All right.
In my project, I have a 6-view controller.
Okay.
For login, and here's a check if the user
verified. Yeah. Yeah. Can you take us to the where you're sending the email, the verification email code?
Here, I create a function.
Okay.
Send the verification mail.
Yeah. Right.
I check if the user is nil or not, and send the verification email.
Yeah. This is very impressive. This is very impressive. Abdurrahman. Yeah. It's very impressive. This is an extra feature. It wasn't really in the requirements, but I'm glad you're able to do it on your own. Yeah, this is amazing work. This is amazing work. I'm sure your colleagues would agree. Yeah. Just besides the small bug, but that's pretty good. Congratulations. This is a great app. Okay. So yeah, thank you. Yeah, this is a great application. Any feedback from the instructors, Rodrigo, Danny, Hussein? Great work, great work. Yeah, the email verification feature, that's great. Yes, next, Shahad.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Good morning, all. I'm really excited to see everyone's work. I'll share my screen now.
All right.
Can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So this is the first screen that shows up when the user opened the app. I made the title here and there, and made a very funny slogan, because when your app has very minimum chat functions, you need to really market your app.
That's amazing.
There are two buttons, sign up and sign in.
Okay.
We'll sign up a new account. If the user clicks on the picture, it should show this.
Okay. All right. The profile picture.
Yeah. And choose. And then first name, the fields all have to be filled.
All right. Oh, okay. So you added the edge cases. That's amazing.
If I type like random emails and like random password, it's going to tell me to enter valid email address.
Right. Done it like a professional. Nice.
And also the password has conditions, but
yeah,
I didn't really pay attention to what conditions. I just used the regular expression. And then click on sign up.
Oh wow.
It's going to say no chats here yet. And it's going to load the image. It takes time.
All right. Yeah.
The user can change an image from preset images. I think it's really cute feature to have.
Yeah, yeah.
I love when apps have their own drawings and stuff.
Yeah, that's
So
impressive.
I can also change the name. I cannot change the email, but I have it in a field and it's disabled and it's saved.
All right.
Also, if the user clicks here, it's going to start a chat.
Yeah.
And these are the current accounts. So these are my teammates and this is my Facebook account.
All right.
Let me see, I'll log in. Actually, I'll log out here. And use Facebook. So for Facebook, I just made sure that the user cannot change the image or the name, the email, nothing cannot be changed. The user can only log out because the data is being brought from Facebook.
Yeah, yeah, true.
So I have 3 accounts here. If the user, like, let's say I want to start a chat with Hessa, I click here. If I don't type a message, it shouldn't appear here. And I made sure that it doesn't appear until I type something.
Okay.
So let's say, hi. Oh, I need to click the button.
Okay.
It's gonna show like the name, hi. And if Hessa says hi back, here it's gonna say me hi, as in like Hessa said hi.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And so far it's working great. I didn't add pictures to the messaging functionality.
All right, that's fine. You
Didn't
added
have much
emojis.
time.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. I didn't have many functionalities.
Yeah, yeah. This is actually brilliant. I like the UI a lot. It's very simple, very professional. I see you added the profiles. I think that's a really good feature. So I think this is you've really done yourself. The navigation is impressive. Very simple and intuitive. I can see the login. You handled your edge cases very well, which is very impressive. Your UI, the colors that you chose are brilliant. So yeah, you could have added a little bit of contrast in the navigation and the entire chats, but all in all, this is brilliant work. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.
I'll go through my code a bit.
Okay.
So in the storyboard, I used the storyboard, but I did not use the navigation in the storyboard. I only did the view controllers, and then every navigation is done through the code.
Okay, yeah. So programmatic navigation.
Yeah.
So, okay.
I think it's way easier and it causes less problems.
Yeah.
If you do it that way. So I really recommend you guys check that out. This is how I organized my files, and I had model for the Firebase and the authentication, but I didn't have much time to put all the functions in here, but that's for future work.
Oh yeah.
Also, I made sure that the app has potential to add more features and stuff. Like it's easily changeable.
Right. Added scalability. That's amazing. Okay.
Yeah. I used Firestore and I made this very tiny drawings of the data. So this is the user. This is the information of the user.
Okay.
I used referencing instead of putting information in user object. For
Okay.
example, like the chat is not directly connected to the user. I only have a list of chat IDs.
Mhm.
I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay.
And the chat has reference to the user IDs that's participating in the chat. So let's say in the future, I want to add more participants in the chat. That would be possible because I'm using references instead of like highly coupling the user to the chat.
Okay. Amazing. So.
And
Right.
it has a list of messages, and I kept the recent message out of the message list because I was thinking that in case of a very, very long chat, it's just too much to go through all the messages just to get a recent one message.
Mhm.
So I kept the recent message. It's duplicated from the last message,
Mhm.
but maybe in a bigger scale app, it's going to be more useful.
Yeah. All right. Amazing.
And this is how the users and chats are connected. So chat is has its own entity and has its own ID.
All right.
So this is my database. It has
Okay.
users,
Mhm.
and these are the users that we just saw in the app. And each user has a list of chats or a collection of chats. So with Firebase, with real-time database, the data is a very big JSON tree.
Okay.
And with Firebase, it's like collection and documents.
Mhm.
And I think that that's better than the one big tree,
Okay.
because one big tree is, it's very hard to get queries and query very detailed things. But with Firebase collection and documents, it's easier.
Mhm.
Even though like real-time database is more reliable since it's mature, but
Yeah.
so far Firestore has proven that it's as good as real-time database.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is brilliant. This is brilliant, considering the fact that you actually owned the project on your own. So you did it with Firestore instead of real-time database. That's
Yeah,
impressive. So
I didn't have any reference for Firestore.
yeah.
Like I found one, but it was very outdated, so I didn't check it.
Yeah.
And I used storage to store the images.
Yeah, of course, of course. All right.
Yeah, I think I'm done presenting.
Okay.
Any
Anybody
questions?
yeah. Anybody have questions for Shahad? Yeah. God, this is amazing work, Shahad. This is brilliant. I really like the way you thought through your app. It seems like you really thought it well before you actually started. So yeah, this is brilliant. I think the way you approach your app is very professional, which is something impressive for, especially for somebody who is still in, starting out. So I think this is brilliant for sure. Yeah, you should
Thank you
definitely
so
go to the
much.
market. Yeah, you should start getting an Apple account and deploy your app. Just make some improvements. Yeah, this is definitely a very good MVP.
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Okay, all right. I don't know about the rest of the guys, but yeah. All right, let's go to Hessa now. Hi, Hessa.
Hi, I will share my screen.
All right.
Firstly, when I saw my college work, I feel like, oh, I didn't do anything. Nice job for all. First, my chatting app is very simple, but it's done in short time. Contain the basic function of the chat app. When you download the application for the first time, onboarding will appear. I know that application is simple and there is no need for it, but I want to try it.
Okay.
Here we can get started. First, the login page will appear. When you enter an email that's not correct, error message will appear that tell you make sure that you have entered the current information. Also, if you have an account but you forget password, you can click here, enter your email, then click reset.
Okay.
If you enter email that's invalid, will tell you email not correct. When you enter email that doesn't exist, will show message that email doesn't exist. Okay.
All right.
If the email is valid, we'll show you the email sent to this email, then go back to the login page.
Impressive cases. Okay.
I will continue with the my Facebook account. We'll fetch your data from the Facebook, your profile image, name, first name and last name, and email. Here you can have the chat that already you have sent for them, like here with Hannah. Hi Hannah, I will answer her, sorry.
Okay.
Here you can search for any user, just type first any letter. All people with that have this letter in their name will shown without enter key, just by enter the letter.
Okay.
Here also you can find all user. I made this page to like the Telegram. I wanted to enhance my app to allow you to add other people and contact them. Anyone you can you have him in contact. Maybe you have a special feature like calling or something else. Now I will log out from my Facebook account.
Okay.
Try the sign up. When you feel let some field empty, will show message. You have to enter last name, valid email, and password. Also, the password button shown in the text field. Sorry.
So it's supposed to put the last name.
You can go to the. Also, you can put or choose image. Now I will open another simulator.
Okay.
Sorry. here, when you go to the chat, you can see the other person profile image name. Also, you can see if he or she is online or not online.
Uh-huh.
You can click on the image, see the image in the large screen.
Okay.
Um, Also, you can. I use extension for the keyboard to use a nice keyboard to be very nice app.
Okay.
Also, I built the chat from the scratch, not using message kit. Since it's the first time I use or I create a message app, I want to try the oldest way to understand the pattern, how it's gone. Arrange them by timestamp, show the time, everything.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I can delete the message. Uh, will be deleted from the database also.
Okay,
Uh,
nice.
you can delete all the chats between me and Sarah. Maybe they will be enhanced in the second time to just be deleted from me, not Sarah.
Uh-huh, nice.
Uh, this was account. So so I think I have to run it again to see online or not.
Okay, all right. Yeah, I see you added a lot of impressive features. This is actually amazing.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, you can proceed. I'm actually impressed. So you added the images, you added the delete as well. These are impressive features that are actually
Thank
needed. Uh-huh, nice, 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 nice. All right, can you, is your messaging real time? So like, can you send a message to another person and we can see send a message being sent real time?
I didn't try it before, but I will try with you.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine.
Yes.
Ah, nice, awesome, awesome, amazing.
My database.
All right.
Very simple, not like others. It contains a line, users, message. The message contains message ID to be deleted or updated in the next time.
Mhm.
Receive ID, sender ID, the text itself, time and timestamp.
Mhm.
I convert the image from the storage to string to save it in the database.
Ah, nice, very simple. Okay.
This is the user data. And online, just I want to use the email to see.
Okay, nice.
I will show my code.
Okay.
This is my arrangement, controllers, view, models, but I don't have time to arrange it
Yeah,
correctly.
yeah, you can
Uh,
manipulate. Okay.
my storyboard, I made it as hierarchical to understand the tree of my app.
Okay.
Uh, Not all navigation on the storyboard, some of them programmatically.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, it's
Taking
take
it's taking a while to load. Okay, there it is.
I made my storyboard like this to understand the pattern of the app.
Ah, yeah, this is a nice idea. Okay. All
Thank
right.
you.
Uh-huh. So can you zoom in a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So
I
you
think
did some of your navigation programmatically, some of them you did it directly on the storyboard, which is still okay.
this
Yeah.
is, uh, sorry for interrupting you. This is a start view that will check if you have a login with Facebook before or not, have created account or not. If you have account or login with Facebook, will navigate you to the login. If not, will navigate you to the uh, onboarding controller.
Okay.
Thank you. That's it.
Okay. Okay. All right, awesome, awesome. This is actually impressive. I like the features that you added, especially the delete, the fact that you can send images. It was really well thought out. I think what you can improve is probably some of the UI colors. Don't try to mix them up a little bit too much, but otherwise, this is a brilliant app. All right, this is a brilliant app with amazing features. I really like it, and I'm pretty sure your colleagues like it too as well. Congratulations, this is great work, Hessa.
Thank you.
I'm proud. All right. Okay. All right. So the competition is very high. Okay, can we run away? Yeah, well, I mean, you can't, don't. Yeah, I mean, the purpose is not competition. It's just to showcase. It'll give you a great way to see where you're at as a developer. Okay, so far so good. You're spending 18 weeks, 14 weeks, just writing code. So this is a good way to see what you can build, and it's actually great practice. Okay, so I guess we're done with group team 2, which is wow. They actually set up the bar really high. I don't know if team 3 can match. So team 3, that's Khulud and Mohammed Jaha. Khulud, Mohammed Jaha, team 2. All right, Mohammed, take it away.
Hello.
Hi.
I don't know how to present after that, but okay. Let
Yeah,
me
you
share
can.
my screen.
Let's see what you got.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it now.
So this is my storyboard. We'll just start by
Okay.
the simulators.
Mm-hmm.
I started my video.
Okay.
So I'll start here by signing up for a new user.
Okay.
Here I can upload an image, choose from library.
Mm-hmm.
Let's choose this one.
Okay, nods only. All right.
My group name.
Okay. Sorry.
Let's say, just click register.
Okay.
You say registration complete, username created successfully.
Okay.
So I reset my database, so there's no chat or anything.
Uh-huh.
So here I would log in with my Google.
Okay.
So this is my email.
All right. Did you implement all social sign-in? That's Facebook, login, Apple, and Google?
Apple, unfortunately, I couldn't because I have to be registered for
yeah,
my
yeah.
Apple development,
Yeah.
which I have to pay for it.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
So,
all right. Cool.
this one.
Yeah, cool.
But I implemented the code, but until the login, I couldn't do anything.
Yeah.
And here I will log in with my Facebook.
Nice.
So this will say my app logo and everything. We go to the profile, you can see all the
amazing.
profile images and everything. So if as you can see, all the names starting with M. So if I look for a person, with M letter,
okay.
I won't see myself, only the other users.
Yeah, nice.
So if I started with chatted with Gmail, if I wrote something, sorry, it should appear directly here.
Nice.
So time. Also, just let me get off the chat. Okay. So if I came back, start with the conversation with another user. Of course, if I add, it will show no results.
Nice.
So I think this one, yeah. add anything, it will
Mhm.
also show. If I
Nice.
came back, I can see the two conversation here.
Oh, nice.
If I only implement photo libraries or open camera,
Uh-huh.
so if I want to send the photo, shoot.
Oh, amazing. Okay.
So also here you can see the photo.
Uh-huh.
Unfortunately, I tried to implement uploading the video, but it seems there are some errors. I don't know why. So it will compress it.
Thanks. Okay, that's a feature you can implement on a later time.
And
Oh, yeah.
couldn't upload.
Okay. Yeah, I think I think there's a specific thing you must do for videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I click on the photo, it will show it in a bigger screen.
Nice.
And
Okay.
yeah, that's most of it.
Okay. Nice. Nice. This is actually awesome. I like the features. They were simple. They explained they were simple. All right, take us through the code now.
Here I only add one thing. As you can see here, there is some classes called designable.
Okay. Wow.
What these classes are doing is when you come to your storyboard, just let it open. If you click here on the image view, you can see here extra attributes.
Uh-huh.
Where is it? Yes, here. It's called border width, border color, and corner radius. So I can control my
Mhm.
the radius for my picture from the storyboard. I don't have to code it.
Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. That is actually
How I did that? By changing the class for the image view to my new class, designable image view.
right.
When I come to my designable image view, I can see that I add some attributes, border width and border color and corner radius. So now I can change it here in my storyboard.
Oh, wow.
This will make my codes lot lighter. I don't have to write it programmatically. I also did it for the text field and the button. I think text field, button, and image view.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow.
And, yeah, that's
You
it.
should start applying for jobs now. I think you're ready.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah. Wow, that's a nice trick actually. I haven't tried it before. Yeah, I'm actually learning now. Okay. Right.
Any
That's
questions?
yeah, database structures remains the same, right? On the Firebase.
Okay, let me stop my screen. I'll share my browser.
Mhm.
Okay, since I resolved the data, let me just refresh it. So
Okay.
here the authentication account that I just created.
Mhm.
I didn't use the Firestore, I used the real time.
Okay, nice.
And here are all the conversations that's happening. And yeah, here each conversation for each user. And I use this for searching for users.
Mhm.
For the storage, I will have one for the images, profile images, and one from the message images. I just sent one, and one for videos, which unfortunately it won't work.
Ah, nice. Okay. All right.
And
Okay, that's actually brilliant. This is a nice application. I like the way you thought to make your life easier by optimizing your code. That's actually brilliant. That's not something I've seen as everybody do. So you really set
thank you.
yourself apart. Yeah, you should actually start looking for a job.
Thank you.
That's pretty impressive. Okay. All right. The bar has been set even higher. Team 3. So Claude, if you're here. Is she here? Can seem to see her. Okay, so Khulud is absent. So I'm just gonna jump to team 4, Pink Ninjas. Pink Ninjas. That's Reem, Renard, Safa, and Smaher. Any one of you can begin. Team number 4. Team number 4. All right, Safa.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. How are you?
Good, how are you? So I have made like a recording to show how to use the application with them, like in the real with the real database and the storage and authentication in the meantime. So
Okay.
I will run the video and go, because I sectioned each part in like in a single video, and I also put everything in my GitHub account. Can I share?
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
Can you see?
Yeah. All right.
So this is, I made it very simple, and the structure is similar to the platform. So here's the feature that I have. So I can log in with the email and password, and also with Google and Facebook. I can search and also send photos, messages, and text. Also track online and offline users, and just to password recovery. So I have recorded each part in here. I will show it in just give me a second. I will show it in the QuickTime Player to be clear. So can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the Facebook login. Okay. I have actually splash screen, but because I have opened it previously,
Yeah.
it didn't show.
Yeah, that's okay.
So yeah, it takes time.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, here when I just like enter my account and then I log in.
Okay.
My simulator was really slow when I was like recording this.
Yeah, that's understandable. All right, just proceed.
So here, user created, and it's added to the online users list.
Okay.
And here, when I update this, it's going to show like that I log in with Facebook. Okay.
Right. Nice.
And in the storage, yeah, it saves my image, which is, I don't have any image like in my Facebook account.
Okay. That's
So,
cool. Yeah, it's an empty image. That's right.
yeah. So for the second one, for Google login. Okay. Can you see it?
I don't know if
I think when I share, like, yeah, it's just I have to change it. Sorry about that.
Can see it. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So for this one, sorry, that takes like too long. Sorry about that.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So in the meantime, could you show us your Xcode, or you're just sharing one part?
What do you mean? Sorry.
No, like your code. In the meantime, while it's loading.
Yeah. Okay. So can you see now, like my? Oh yeah. Sorry about that. I thought it was sharing. Yeah. Sorry. I was running this. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the login with the Google. Actually, I have a technical issues with my computer, and the VNC just, I no longer trust it. So yeah, I'm struggling a little bit.
A nice precaution. Okay. All right.
So now I signed in with my Gmail account, and it's added to the online user as well. No, yes, to the user, but because I sign out from, yeah, I'm logging in with this email. Yeah.
Okay, nice, nice. So the profile image has
Yeah,
been,
and it's added the image.
all right.
And the same thing apply for the for the sign in also.
The normal sign in, all right.
Yeah, I'm just gonna share it. Okay. Okay, so this is the normal sign in with
Okay.
any account.
Okay, nice.
Okay, and also with the sign up. Okay. And this is the sign up.
Okay.
I can choose an image, add it. And my simulator is very, very slow. Sorry about that again.
Yeah.
Takes too long. I'm testing with my iPhone.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice.
Yeah, so for the reset password, so I have also this option. So whenever, okay.
Mhm. So you've registered 3 users so far?
Yep.
Okay.
For this part, when I do like the reset for password, just gonna enter the email and it's gonna send an email to, I will receive an email from Firebase.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is the email that I received from Firebase.
Nice, okay.
Yeah, so this is for resetting the password.
Mm-hmm.
And for searching for chat. Okay, so I can simply, like when I log in, I just like type the first letter and it's gonna show me without clicking, like enter.
Okay.
So yeah, for the
Nice.
this is I can send like images only. Yeah, I had no time to do the rest. I wanted to make like a Snapchat, like a live map to show all the online users, but
yeah,
I will implement it later on.
Yeah, that's you can do that later. That's fine. That's fine. All right. So the image is sent. I can see you also added the sent. All right.
And it shows like online users also with green in here.
Yeah. That's a nice feature. Nice.
Okay. So for the last thing, which is like when user like log in or log out, it's just gonna change the status. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think I'm still here like showing the messaging. So it's just send and receive and it's worked like perfectly with that.
Okay. All right.
For the last part I have, which is the online feature, offline feature.
Okay.
Okay, you can see it. So when I log out, immediately just gonna change. Yeah, it's gonna take away the green stroke border, like from the image. It was like very, very simple.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah. So I think I covered everything in my application, and that's all I have.
Yeah. This is brilliant, Safa. This is amazing work. I like the fact that you really prepared yourself for this demo. Couple of feedback. I like the UI choice, except maybe the sign in button. It doesn't seem to be very clear.
Yeah. I realized that I changed it in the I will show in my my actual app. Sorry, I will share my simulator.
Okay.
So I actually changed it when I did because I'm doing everything programmatically. I was practicing this. So every UI I have is I've done like programmatically. I have changed it here to set the alpha to be higher, because in here it was lower, and I wanted it to be like something but it didn't work as I want. Thank you for this tip, and I'll try to improve it. Thank you.
That's actually, everything is perfect. I really like everything. I was just sending a recommendation there, but yeah, this is awesome work. This is amazing. The GitHub idea, everything. Yeah, we're really setting the bar really high. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.
All right. Awesome. Team 4, who can match? Come on. Smart hair. I don't think he's here. Okay, Renard, you can go ahead. Oh, come on, Reem, you can do it.
Yeah. Hi. So can I share?
Oh, yeah, sure. Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
So actually, I have problem with my simulator. So I tried with my iPhone and my sister phone. So
that's fine.
So here when just a minute. Here, I'll remove this. So here when I sign up.
Okay.
And enter the mail. And here it doesn't show the password, but it's work fine. It's shown in my iPhone, but I don't know when I record it doesn't show. So fine. I put like from 1 to 5, and it's give me this message. The password should be like more than 6 characters.
Okay.
So I put like another conditions, like if one of the fields is empty, it shows the message, please fill all the fields. And also the password and confirm password that must match it.
So, all right, nice.
So here, when I enter, here the main page, and here the conversation, and here to add like new conversation, and here the profile page. So
okay, nice.
I enter the profile page and put and click on the photo.
Okay.
Try to get it.
Nice.
So now it's just waiting for messages. And the other iPhone, just log in and have,
nice.
have just one. Here just to search for persons to chat with, like here's the Sarah. Okay. Yeah, so
okay. So it seems like it's sending the message before you actually click send.
Yeah, it's just 2 videos.
Oh, okay.
And I put it together because it's from iPhone.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a recording.
Yeah, it's recording videos.
Okay, nice. But it's neat. All right.
So just to start chatting, fine. and let's move to the Firebase. So here our conversation.
Okay, so you use the...
And yeah, I put the ID for conversation, conversation, and the ID for the person, and I put with, and the another person.
All right.
So here is the messages that sent, and like here is the last messages, heart.
Okay.
So here is all our conversation and the users. So here is the user ID and the conversation. So I put like more more information, but I didn't use it the time. Like here, it's read or not read.
Okay.
Yeah, and here for the image, I just added to like put it in easily.
Okay.
And here it's just for searching. I put some information. Yeah, and I use Firebase authentication only.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. That's all I know. Yeah, you can add the Facebook login and the sign in later. All right. All right. Take us to the board.
Yeah, I don't know what you want to see in my code, so.
Now, just walk us through like maybe the challenges you faced. What was the hardest feature you did here?
The challenges was like the Firebase manager. So how to communicate with the database and how to like put the data and how to fetch it, because I have like a lot of problems to fetch the data from Firebase. But yeah, I finally did it, but in the last minute. So
yeah. Okay, yeah, this is actually impressive. Yeah, I'm glad you met all of the requirements. At least you can be able to send a message. You can be able to have some sort of authentication. So this is what we call an MVP. So yeah, I'm actually, this is really nice. As long as you met all the requirements. I like your UI. It's really well thought of. Obviously there's some parts you can improve, but yeah, you'll do them later. But so far so good. This is great work. That's great work. Congratulations. Right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Renard. Okay. Team 4. Team number 4. So far so good. All right, Reem, you can go ahead.
Okay. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Although I'm going against my will, but I will share the app. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Okay. So can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
So this is my app. I called it Chatty because I didn't have any powers left to think of another name.
That's fair.
So let's start. So I have all these 3 simulators. So let me start by logging into Google, let's say.
Okay.
Okay, I'll press continue. Hopefully I got my account already logged in.
Okay.
Yep. So I will just click on that and yeah, and I will be redirected. So this is a previous account. I already had conversations. So let's move and test the Facebook login.
Okay.
And for the Facebook, I didn't actually use like a real account. I just created like a test account on the Google developers. So that's what I'm using in here.
Okay.
So I'll just click continue and here we are. Okay, so we've tried the, okay, yeah, one thing, let me just show that real quick. So the white color is bugging me. I'm trying to get all the, okay, yeah. So I will just go to the settings. I will scroll down to developers, activate the dark appearance. Let's go back to my app. And okay, I'm not quite familiar how to use this. Okay, yeah, got it.
Okay.
So yeah, and we can see now that the app changes
nice.
the mood, so it supports both dark and like light mood. So let's create an account. Let's say my name is Bob, and I got lost. And here is bob@gmail.com. Sorry, I'm quite slow. So this is Bob123. Bob123. So let's say, and we can, like, if you change your mind and you want to log in, you just can press on that and that will redirect. So let's pick an image. So let's say choose photo because we can use camera in here.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, yep. So let me, okay, now. Yeah, I'm gonna be picky about this. So let's, yeah, let's.
As it should be.
Yeah. So let's click register and hopefully this, yep, no conversations, yeah.
All right.
So this one in here is, who is it? Yeah, that's me. So I'll just go in here. I will search for me. Okay, here I am. And let's say hello. And click send. Yep, here is Bob the Lost, and here is his hello. Okay, so what else? Yeah, we can also send images. You can see, like, maybe it's much clearer in here. You can see this attachment. So we got these three. That's quite absolutely fake. I only implemented the first one, but let's have it for a better view. Okay. So let's click on the photo. I will choose the photo library. And let's send me some flowers, because why not?
Why not?
So let's click choose. And this is gonna take a while. Yep, here it is. And thank me for the flowers. So what else? We can go back in here. Let me do it in the dark mode. Okay. It's quite better. So in here, I can see my image, I can see my email, and I can log out in here. So we can just like log out. Hopefully I still remember what the, okay, let me, was it Bob? I hope that's it. Gmail.com. And once again, let's say Bob123, and let's log in. And yeah, we are logged in again. Okay. So one more feature is that I got this gift box. So you can see that tiny. So I created my own button, like some sort of. So like sending emojis like is not supposed to be the thing. So I just created sending gifts in which if you collect, you could send any of these gifts, in which this actually, my original idea was supposed for this to work like only if the two users are online. Okay. So of both, I didn't implement that yet, but this is how I imagined it. So let's say I want to send Dream some like stars. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. So both of our screens supposed to like send the same like confetti rain or whatever it is. Okay. So we can also choose like a custom image. So let me check that. Yep. Oh yeah. So the custom image, like it can be literally anything. So this is the new thing. So quit using emojis and start using computerines. Okay, nice. Yeah, and I believe that's it. Is there anything that I forgot? The database, maybe? Yeah, can you take us, what is the greatest challenge in your code and the database? Yeah. Well, where to start exactly? This was a crime. Okay. I struggled a lot, not gonna lie. All right, yeah, for sure. For this to come out, obviously you struggle a little bit. Okay, can you take us through maybe the database and then, yeah. Okay, so here is for the authentication, you can see that we got, okay, let me refresh very quick. Okay, we can still see a similar. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I guess I didn't share the full screen. Just let me share it again. Okay, so we got Bob, we got John, Bob, and my Google email.
Okay.
So for the Firestore database, I believe we got two kinds of, oh no.
This is the Firestore.
What was it? Oh yeah, Firestore, sorry.
Okay.
So we got two files in here. So this one is for the messages and this one for the profile images. So you can see that the name indicates that this is the profile picture. And in here, probably we only got one. Okay, no, we did other conversations, so we got all these. So for the big mess, here is my database. So we got the users, like the users are added individually, in which in here you can see like the latest conversation, the time, is it read or not? I didn't implement that yet, of course. So yeah, and this is the conversation. It's supposed to hold all the messages that we just sent. So this is the first hello message. This is our flower image. And I believe that's it. Anything else?
Okay. Yeah. I mean, I'm just lost for words. This is awesome. Okay. I like the confidence in the way you presented. That's one of the ways to do it. So if you want to go through presentation tips, definitely go through Ream. Yeah, I like the application. It's simple. I saw some really great features, as your colleagues will agree. I like everything you did. Yeah, you really outdid yourself. So yeah, this is impressive. Yeah, I don't know. The competition keeps getting higher. So yeah, congratulations. That was brilliant.
Thank you. Got to celebrate these words one more time. So one last shot.
Yeah. You can just throw the confetti one more time.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's an end. Thank you so much.
All right. Awesome. Thank you. Okay. Team 4, you really have your work cut out. Okay. So Smara looks to be absent. So I'm just gonna jump to team number 5. Okay. So let's see what team number 5 I've got for us. So Latifa, Layla, Rehab, if you're there. Team number 5, Coding Ninjas.
Yes, I can start.
Okay. Well, awesome.
Just a minute, I want to set my simulators.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. This is the login interface. The reason of why I choose these colorful colors is that I searched for the Messenger logo and I found it with these beautiful colors. So I decided to design this background.
All right, cool. I like the UI over there. Okay.
So we will sign up for an account. If I missed any of the text field, it give me an alert to enter all the information. So, okay. This is the profile. It shows me the name of the user and its email. I can set up an image.
All right.
Choose an image for
nice.
On the other simulator, I will log in with the Facebook, so I can chat with. It's supposed to be Nora, but has an autocorrect. Yes, and that's me. with my Facebook account.
All right, nice.
I already have chat with the random people, so we will search for, we have Nawaf and the new user. We will say hi first, so we will see that. We can say.
Okay, there you go. Are you able to send images?
Yes, can send image. Takes time to.
Oh yeah, okay, nice. There we go.
When I click on the image, it takes me to the like another page to be bigger. What else? I tried to do the delete, but it has so many cases.
Okay.
If I can delete the message or delete all the chats, yeah. So I missed a bit with it, so I decided to do it later. Yes, I think this is my functionality. I can't like have a chat with myself. It only showed me the other user with R, not me. And yeah, that's all. I think my database. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, these are the users. I have like 6 users.
Okay.
Email and the first name and last name. This is the conversation with each user. Save the last messages so it can appear like what I have sent lastly.
Okay.
Yeah, and the conversation, it contains all the messages with this conversation ID, which is the sender and receiver email and the time of the created chat. Yes, I think that's all.
Okay. Okay. I like the UI. Okay. It's brilliant. It's simple. I think I was able to follow everything through. You for the table view for this one, it's you could have removed the lines, but it's still okay. I think it works fine the way it is. Otherwise, this is a brilliant app. I have no more feedback. What is the greatest challenge you faced through the code while writing the code?
I just want to say something that I think because the version of the Xcode, I can not remove these lines.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
The challenge with the code, I think the most thing I had challenge with is the delete feature. I really tried to do it, but I faced so many cases that I couldn't do. And real-time database, because this is my first time to do a real-time database. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is impressive. I'm glad you were able to tick all the boxes. This is a basic MVV app that I like. Everything works as it should. I haven't seen any bugs, so that's brilliant. Yeah, this is amazing work we have. Yeah, I really like the app. Right. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna pass it to just before the next person in Team 5 go. I got a request from Amna. You wanna be introduced?
Yeah, me.
Yeah.
Guys, get ready to load the bar a lot, okay?
Okay.
I kept work on this all night, but I still have a bunch of errors. So
Yeah, that's fine.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. This is my storyboard. It was working first, but now it's not. My database is fine. I registered one user, just one.
Okay.
Me. I guess I deleted it. Oh, okay, here. And this is it.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, now it's fine.
Okay, guys, be honest. Okay, it's not awesome.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So there's one thing I need to let you guys know. All right. So
okay,
as a software developer, there are days where you're going to not obviously meet the expectations. Like maybe you had a presentation on that day. I have had several demos where I completely did not have, well, my features broke, obviously, before. So don't worry, this is one of the things that developers go through, and you're going to go through those, okay? So this is a great learning opportunity, okay? So it happens a lot. I don't want you to feel like it's something bad that you did, right? It's something that happened. It has happened to me a lot of times before. Something doesn't work, my app crash during a demo.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so don't worry, don't worry. I mean, we understand. We are also programmers. We've gone through this before. So however small thing you did, do not be afraid to present. It's your work and you should be proud of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So don't worry, don't worry. We're not upset. We're just, yeah, this is brilliant. I'm glad you came. Yeah. I'm glad you came. All right.
Thank you, Kevin.
All right. Awesome. Okay, so don't be afraid. However small to present, please do. It's part of programming. Okay. All right. Next person, Latifa, team 5. You can present however small, please.
Hello, can I share?
All right. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. So, okay. So it's hard actually to beat all my place with the functionalities and the UI. So, okay, let's start. I try to make the design auto layout. So it works on iPhone, iPad, and iPod, but I didn't try it on the iPod. So, and I try to create or change the app icon. So, okay, when it's first load, it should, okay, this just to show the app icon. When it first load, it shows the animated view.
Nice.
This is great. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, that started. I only implemented the Facebook and the email and password. I didn't have the time to implement the Google and that kind of method. So I think I am continuing this. So yes, it's got my Facebook account. It's capitalized my first and last name and my email.
Okay.
Because in the simulator, when I try to write any name or anything, it doesn't have like allow me to write capital letters.
Okay.
So I want to try here. I hope it's work. Okay, I'm a new user. Okay, continue. Let's see. My name is Latifa. Okay, let's have another name because I already have Latifa. Just 1 second to make sure that if I already logged in with that user or not.
Okay.
Okay, just I want to show, please. So, okay, I made authentication and checked if the field is empty or not, and I checked if the email is already exists or not. So this email is not exists, so it won't show me anything. So I just want to show how I clarify there that there is a problem, like there's a problem with password. I didn't do any like put some conditions. I only put like condition of at least make 6 characters, and this condition I needed to for the Firebase. So if it's actually less than 6 characters, the Firebase will not allow me to create an account.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Register. Okay. Okay. And also here I did like validation.
For the email.
Yes. Like, yeah, like one of them are not correct. I'm going to copy it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It won't allow me to register because the email is not verified.
Nice.
So because my application is chat application, I need to make sure that all the users are already exist. And also because the forget password functionality, I need to enter the email and the password, the link for changing the password will be sent to that email. So that's why I had to make it authenticated. So if I went here, I already tried before and delete the user, I should have, yes. I didn't change the template, so for the verification. So I can change it from the Firebase. Yeah, your email has been verified and I can log in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Log in. So Sarah doesn't have a photo, so she can change. I don't know why it's happening. I tried it before and it works.
Okay. Yeah, it happens. It happens.
Yeah, I actually tried it like several times today and yesterday, and I didn't test it on iPad actually.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I will try it here.
Okay,
I
that's
don't know why it's happening. I think because I am presenting.
fine.
So, okay, this is the Facebook account. My Facebook account fetching the user, the photo from the Facebook, and then save it and the Firebase. So when I try to change it, it only will change inside my application. So it won't change the Facebook, like inside the Facebook account.
Right.
Like here. Okay. I can also reset the password. It will send a password to this email address. Okay, I have no conversation yet, and I want to search for a user. So, for example, I cannot search for myself. I can't search for any user, even if I have already a conversation with them. So, for example, let's search for Ludo if I have it or not. Hit enter. No results found.
Oh, nice. Okay.
If I search for, okay, let's see, I know that I have a user with Nasser, and yes, I have Sarah Nasser. So I don't need to write the first letter to search for the user.
Right.
So I need to, hi Sarah.
Right, nice.
Yes, and I can send a photo. Let's see if I send this photo. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and I changed it. I didn't like the way that the URL yeah, so I changed it to photo. So can I just run it on the iPhone 11?
Yeah.
Run it again. Yeah, just to make sure. That is, yeah. And forgive me, I don't know why it's presenting like that.
I think it's your presentation hierarchy. That's why it's wrong. But you can review that later. Okay.
Yeah, it works on the iPhone, but actually it's my first time to test it on the iPad, and I think it's a bad idea.
Yeah.
Just to first time the demo.
Right.
So okay. So let's explain that. So okay, if I search for Sarah again, it will open the same conversation. So I actually did another thing while waiting for this to run. So if I click on that text, like not in the message, the text, an alert will pop up. So I can save or start a message. Like save it. Yeah. So if I go here, the message will be saved, and it will declare like from where exactly. So in my application, I only have the email to be a unique. So I may have another Sarah Nasser.
Oh, yeah.
So that's why, and I can also delete it. So I just want to try the delete functionality. It works, but I don't know why. Yeah, it works. And it's actually updated directly, but I think because I'm presenting, I don't know. So I have another user, just to make sure. So I was planning to have real users with real emails, and I did it, but something happened with the database last night and today. Okay. So just give me a second. I'm really sorry. It takes a long time. I expected. So this is the password for Robert. So Ragad has a picture. And here, here's Ragad, and here is Latifa Nasser. So if Latifa Nasser try to talk with Ragad just to
there we go.
illustrate the functionality, the chat functionality. Why didn't? Okay.
That was a crash.
I think I know why. It works actually fine, but I know because the database, sometimes I don't know why it's saving. I don't know why it's behaving like that. So when I present to my colleagues in group, and even when I ask you something, it works fine. Like, yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. All right.
There's one more functionality I need to demonstrate and make sure that I clarified, because I worked hard actually. Okay. In the demo, okay. If I wrote any like specific word, like for example, a job, like here, when I click it, it only have two options: star, message, and cancel.
Okay.
And the job is one of my special keywords that has another functionality. So I can either choose a start message and celebrate. I actually did the same thing as Riem did because I was impressed when she implemented the confetti in the Android track. So I was thinking to do the same thing here. Yeah, and if I click it again, it may change because I make it random. randomly change, like here is triangle, diamond, confetti, and so on. And I was planning to demonstrate the real time. So let's see if it will work. So this is Sarah. This is Sarah. This is Sarah. So I hope it will work. Yeah, I think it's a problem with Ragad.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
But it's working.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I like your functionalities. I really think you really did everything well, obviously. During the demo, something that crashed. But
yeah, I don't know why, because even when I like demonstrating to you, like if you remember, for the search functionality, I asked you and it was working, like the chatting, the real-time chatting. I don't know why it's happening. So there's one thing I would like to share is like how I did divide my structure. I did the MVC, structure controller. So here's the controllers. And some of them like dividing, here's the model for the, like for example, sender. It has only like each struct has its own file. I did that as a suggestion and recommendation from Mr. Hussein to make the application faster, and it works. So I will recommend you guys to divide your classes if it has a long code. So here is the chat view. It has 3 divided files. So thank you very much for listening. And sorry for the bug. I don't know why it's happening.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It happens during a demo. The guys are complaining that you guys are blowing them out of the water. But this is amazing work. Obviously, I like the app. I like the UI you chose. The animations are cool. There's nothing I can say was bad. I mean, obviously, the crashes, obviously, that's something to do with unexpected stuff. But yeah, that's a brilliant app. I love everything about it. Very simple. And you made it very simple. And yeah, that's what you aim to do, user experience. Okay. So yeah, that was amazing. All right. Anybody else from Team 5? Leila?
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, hi.
Hi everyone, sorry, but I'm nervous about that. Good morning everyone. Can I share the video? I record the simulator. This is fine?
Sure.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, let's get started. This is my app. The first time I do it in ISE project.
Okay.
So if he new user will register the first time, write the name and the last name and the email. And the password should be at least 6 characters. So can be enter the background. 1 second to finish. Yeah, with the password now. Okay, here's the app. This is the profile of the user. If you want to choose a photo or take the photo. Choose a new photo. It's working. Yeah. So with the application. And the real database. And the storage. The profile.
Okay.
No, I'll again the another devices with my account in the Facebook. 1 second. I put the email and the password for my Facebook account. Let me have it. Yep. Yeah, the profile will show me the image of that and the full name and the email. Application. Database, show me the user and the email. And the storage. Then we'll show you the chat now. Then no one started with the K with the no result. The star to will be show. Yeah.
Ah, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So that works.
Yeah. I can send either image. Library. It's working. I click it, it will be show in the big way. So show me the database, the conversation between the two accounts and the message. There are 3 shots. The type is photo.
Okay.
How many I shot this person? How many shots? 1. This is 20. Okay. Same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, when I log out and log in again, will be same. Shot is not deleted. And yeah. When I, 1 second, sorry. When I put wrong email and wrong password, will show me this error. And if I register, I did put anything, it will show me this error. And that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I like the UI. the Facebook, the length of the Facebook and the length of the normal login buttons are a little bit not the same. So maybe you can work on making sure that they're uniform across the board. But also, I like the chat conversation. So probably to optimize the user experience, try to give the user some sort of title on the conversations at the top there. But otherwise, I like your work. The UI is simple. I don't think I struggle to understand everything there. So that's amazing. It was simple enough for me to understand. I'm pretty sure everybody was able to understand how your app works. So yeah, that's brilliant work, Layla. That's a great job. And considering the fact that you're actually working at the same time as building your app, so it's still very impressive. So yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I'm sorry about that. Right. Thank you.
Appreciate you worked hard for that one. Okay. Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Layla. All right, team 5, coding ninjas. I think everybody's done there. Now the shurikens, team number 6. Team number 6, the shurikens. Anybody want to go first? Okay, so I'm not saying that she spent the entire night. So anybody else who spent the entire night? They didn't sleep. I can let you go first. All right, Hassan, take it away. Hassan.
Yes, can you see my screen or?
Not yet, not yet.
I need to change some setting. It's maybe take time. Maybe
right.
other.
Take your time, take your time. Anybody who spent the entire night working on this app before the demo? Okay, okay. Yeah, I think everybody did with DB. Well, the good thing is you guys can now, you have a gap week, you have a gap day tomorrow. You're still required to join, but you can just work on your own. Remember, on Wednesday, you have the belt exam, so you have today and tomorrow to rest. Just recuperate. Yeah, but you're still required to come in, even if you nap. Nap day, all right. Okay. Can we all pretend that it doesn't exist and keep presenting? Hajar, what are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? No? Okay. Incomplete and buggy. No, you can just showcase whatever you worked on. Okay. This is not like, we're not marking exams here. We're just viewing your work. Okay. That'll come in the belt exam. That's where I'll focus. No, the belt exam is not tomorrow. It's on, tomorrow is your gap day. So on 12th, tomorrow is the 11th. So on 12th, that's on Wednesday. That's when the belt exam will start. Okay, looks like Hassan dropped. Anybody else from Shuken's team 6? Okay, Amal, you can go ahead as we wait for Hassan to set up.
Okay, but maybe gonna lose me because I don't have the strongest internet.
Okay. What did you say? I didn't catch that.
Sorry. I mean the internet. I don't know what the NC is gonna work on that.
Oh, all right. Okay. Team 6, Najed, are you here?
My screen.
All right.
Okay. Here's the sign-in screen, and here the sign up.
All right.
So I'm gonna sign up first.
Okay, username. All right. Okay.
Maybe the user default. This is actually an older account I created, and here I send it from this device. I didn't know what's the problem with this. So sorry, this account. So you can see the conversation. And what else? Also the other user. Yeah. And for just give me a second. With the database, you can see the authentication, emails, and Facebook.
Okay.
And symbol storage for the images for each user. And photos. And the real-time database. You can see the child for users and for a child for every user. So it's gonna hold the latest message for each conversation. You can see here, yeah. We have two conversations here, and the latest message for each of them. And conversation child. Can see the messages. Just give me a second to share to my Xcode.
All right, okay. So I noticed that obviously there was still a problem with the UI, but I'm glad. Okay, so hang on. Do you have sign on with Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here. Just symbol.
Okay.
Server. Navigation, the name, it shows the here. I don't know the problem with the server. Here the profile, and here the conversation, and here the sign in and sign up field.
Okay.
It's actually I started the creating the app with the view, but I really struggled to set this Facebook button because it is I have to do it programmatically.
Okay.
So this is the best I could.
Right. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, that's I like your app. That's simple. Obviously you could do with a little bit of UI improvements. At the button, in your login, the landing page. Make sure the sizes are the same. Also, the sign up button could be a little bit downward at the bottom. But all in all, I like the fact that you created a minimal MVP, so your app works. It could do with a few more days of tweaks here and there. You can do that at your own time, but so far so good. I'm glad you made all the requirements. So yeah, this is great work, Amal. Yeah, I'm really proud. This is nice. Okay. Team 5, Hassan, I'm guessing you're ready. Okay, there we go.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Yes. My app is very basic and simple.
Okay.
This is the login page. Here the user create account. First name and last name and age. Here email. Here password. And here he can choose image. And he received the email for verification. Verify his email.
Email verification, okay.
Yes. Wait, it should be here. I don't know. أيوه here. Yes.
Very nice.
Then he can log in. Here the chat should say hi. If user click in his photo, will open the profile, and he can update if he wants.
All right.
Here other users in database.
Okay.
Show here. He can also in other device if you see if user already log in, it will open the chat page directly. Here can send message. Should appear here. So, yes, it's real time.
Okay. Yeah, nice. Send it back. Nice.
Yes. And he can log out if he wants here.
Right.
And that's it. This is the database. I create my own chat to show the last chat in page chat, and contacts to show other users, and here the messages, and here the users.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay. So there's no form of social sign-in implemented.
Sorry again.
Social sign-in, like signing with Facebook.
No, I didn't.
Okay. Yeah, all right. I like your app. It's very simple. Just one question. So, I saw you added the age. Is it editable? Because I don't think you should be able to edit the age.
You can. Yes.
Oh, okay.
He can edit he can't edit the email, just the email he can't edit.
Okay.
Only the
make that for the age as
useful.
well and the gender. I don't think those are attributes that are editable. But yeah, for the purposes of this is just a simple demo. So that's great.
Yes.
Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. Yeah, that was impressive. That was nice. It was nice. It was simple and nice. Can't really complain. Okay. Team number 6. Anybody else? Hajar, Amal represented. Amal represented. Hassan, Najed. All right, Hajar, please go ahead.
Yes, hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine, hopefully. Okay, let me see. To share. I don't know, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
My emulators. Can you see the emulators?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I see both.
So my app is simple. There are a lot of mistakes. I had problem with the Google sign-in because of my Apple ship. So I had to move it. And for the sign up, I have a simple form here. This image. Oh, the color stopped working. There's a problem here. We all have the same email, so the same password they need. So we can. We have the list here, and for the login.
Okay, nice. Really like your conversation screen. It's the interface is, the conversation interface. It's nice. Okay.
It's the current user will be displayed on the list, so we have to filter that out. This, I can use it to search. I can also use it to start a new conversation. And the notification, I can continue with the previous conversation. So I can, for example, I have problem also with this one. I have to drag it. So it will also, I think this is Mark. Let's try to send. Yeah, all right. So that's pretty much my whole application.
Okay, nice. Nice and simple, That's what I like. Can you go back? Okay, now can you take us through some of the challenges you faced through the code?
There was a lot, including the Google sign-in. Actually, the code, I can't really take full credit for it because I followed the tutorial. But there's a lot of things that I would like to correct, including the UI. I think it would be better to be a tab bar here for the chat and the setting.
All right.
Build it after the bootcamp, actually. But yeah, there's a lot of things that need correcting.
Okay. I think it's more than you give yourself credit for. This is impressive. I don't know why you are afraid to present. But yeah, this is nice. The green color is dope. The choice of colors was awesome. It's simple enough for me to understand. So yeah, this is nice work, Hajar. Yeah, obviously you can still do better. You can improve. So yeah, you can work towards that. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna have an App Store worthy application. But yeah, so far so good. This is nice. Okay, done well. Okay, I think we're done with team 6. I think Hajar was the last person. I can't seem to see where Najud is. So finally, team number 7. I think we're the last team now. Okay, team number 7. Team number 7. I think we have a number of you: Lubaba, Maha, Zara, and Lena. Anybody want to go first? Lena?
Yes, I'm here. Okay.
Right.
Oh my God, I'm nervous.
No, don't be. It's simple.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, wait a minute.
Just relax.
I think my voice is shaking.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time. Yeah.
Okay. It will show now. You can see my screen.
Yes, I can.
So I do a very simple functionality. So this is my app. I log in with the 2 accounts. This is my Facebook account, and this is my just registration account.
Yeah.
So yes, I'm also, wait, I will log out. Yeah, this is my login screen. I create a Facebook registration and also Google. This is my registration, but I'm already registered with an account, so I will start with my account. So my form will be notify you if you don't if your password is less than 6 or you have an empty field.
Okay, nice.
Yes, yes, and I can search for users. Wait. So this is Lena account. Yeah, I will search for Lena because I can't search for myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if I click it, it will be open the last conversation or chat. Yeah.
Okay.
I implement also the photo, but I already do it because I have a bad internet connection, so it's take time to load. Yeah.
All right.
What else? Yeah, I also implement the delete. So, but I don't delete the chat, only the user, like this. If I delete it and I'm searching again, it will be like loading the last conversation. I'm not reaching to this point to delete all the chat or the conversation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And what else? It's deleted now. So let me type something. So I will type hi again. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's real time.
Nice.
And that's it.
Nice.
That's it.
All right. Right. Very simple. Very simple. Yeah. I like that. I like that. Very simple. Okay. Very nice. Looks like your teammates bailed. No.
Yeah.
Everybody bailed out on you. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I like your app. Any challenges you faced?
Actually, with the Firebase and with upload the image. Yeah, I struggled a little bit.
Okay. Yeah. With a lot of practice, obviously, you can ask us. Just remember that the belt exam will also have Firebase. So if you feel like you had trouble doing that. So you can actually do more practice, do more research on that. Also, we're here if you have any more questions. Team number, yeah, all right, awesome. Team number 7 kind of bailed out on us. Only Lena showed up. But yeah, I guess we'll follow that up. Oh, right, Ali, hi. Sure, I forgot there's people who were not here. All right, Ali, you can go ahead. And anybody else who has not presented and feel like they want to, you can go ahead.
Yes, hello.
All right.
All right.
Oh my God, thank you.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
This is the main storyboard. I got the login page and the register page, and I have a reference to go to the second storyboard.
All right.
And this is the our storyboard after login and or after register. Should be the profile page and the chat page. Let's go to the logout. Okay.
You have no idea how
Only something.
All right.
Let's make it. Yes, I have a profile page and I have, I can search for any user. For example, if I have Ali, I can press it. Here, I did all 8 section parts in our platform, but the 9 and 10, I send only the message, but did not appear here at the table. For example, if I send something and go to here, it will be for the conversation. Yeah.
Is the other person, is it real time? Is the other person able to do it?
Yeah, real time, but not appear here.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, so that's something small you can fix.
Yeah. Just like this. Okay.
Simple. All right. Obviously, there's still some work to be done. But so far so good. I'm glad you presented yourself, even though it's not complete. But yeah, I'm glad you're able to present something at least. All right. So that was Ali. Anybody else who want to go? Anybody else? Okay. Now, before I open up the breakout rooms, just I'd like to say that I'm proud of the work that you guys have done, right? So remember that the belt exam is going to be almost like a mini version of what you've been building, okay? So it's going to be less requirements, but the idea is pretty much the same, just something to prepare you for, all right? That's why it's taking around 3 days to complete. It's not, I'm not going to tell you it's a messenger app. You're going to know that once you start the belt exam. But just be aware that most of the stuff that we've covered and most of the stuff that we've done, that is what is going to be in the belt exam. So go through your app again, look at the mistakes that you've made, make some improvements so that when the belt exam actually comes, it'll be much easier. You can finish it within a couple of days. Okay, so the third day becomes more of just revising and optimizing your application. Okay, now the belt exam will be done on Wednesday, starting 9:30, and it's going to take 3 days to complete. So just be prepared for that. So tomorrow we will not be having a class, but you will be attending. You'll be staying within the Zoom. For anybody who has any questions regarding the Messenger app and anything to do with the previous assignments that we've done before, you can ask. That's 3 days starting Wednesday. Okay, that's 3 days starting Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday 9:30. Please avail yourself. For those who did not finish, you can finish them after the bootcamp because I don't think you still have time. Right now it's time to prepare for the exam. Also for the assignments, I think I reached out to you if you do not meet the 7% threshold for assignment submission. Okay, so please make sure you reach out, you finish and make sure that your submission rate is above 70%. Okay. Let me just answer a couple of questions here. So when is the deadline for the exam? All right, so obviously we don't count weekends. Okay, so the first 2 days are already down by the time Thursday ends. So Sunday, I think there is a holiday that is being observed by Coding Dojo. Perhaps there might not be a class that day, but you will still be working on your belt exam. So on Monday, that's when the exam submission will be stopping, okay? Because we need time to start reviewing. You know, there are huge projects, so we have to review each of your codes and make the assessment, okay? Because it's not like the previous belt exam where it was just a few requirements. This one has a bunch of requirements compared to the previous one, okay? So I'm not gonna give any extensions to that towards that. So that's on Monday. I expect everybody to have submitted that. Please tell your friends who are absent about it. Okay. So yeah, that's Monday 4 p.m. Okay, Monday 4 p.m. All right. So anyway, the requirements and instructions will be there. You will read them. But Monday 4 p.m. There will be no extensions beyond that. Because after that, that's when we will be reviewing. And then those who are supposed to do retakes will start doing their retakes. Okay. So we have a pretty tight schedule. So just prepare yourself. If you did not sleep last night, make sure you get plenty of rest between now and Wednesday when you are starting the belt exam. Okay. So before I open up the breakout rooms, I'm going to reach out to the rest who did not present later. Any more questions? Any more questions about the belt exam? Any more questions? Yes, Latifa.
Hello, sorry.
Yeah.
Just make sure that